Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about detaching, how to change one size in a set without touching the others. The first way is the simplest. Drag the image off the canvas and replace it with another one. But a new object syncs across all sizes, so you'd have to move it out of view on every canvas. With many sizes that gets tedious, so this approach is the least recommended. Back in all sizes. The 300 by 600 shows one image. The rest show another. Let's restore the original design and do it properly. The second way is our new detach feature. Take the size you need, click the three dots, and remove it from sync. Now edits on this size won't affect the others. Let's switch the text variant, swap the jar, and change the button color. Back in all sizes. The detached size is updated. The others stay unchanged. The synced sizes still update together. Here's a different text and a different color. You can bring a size back into sync, but we don't recommend it. It's irreversible. After resyncing, the text syncs entirely again, both content and color, because the blocks share one ID. So be careful with this method. The third way. Pick a size and create a separate design from it. It's a copy. Every change stays inside it. Change the text. It updates in the copy, but not in the main sizes. You can't merge it back. And the fourth way, open layers and simply hide the object. Visibility doesn't sync between sizes. This canvas has no object now, while the others keep it. But if you hide an element in the master banner, every resize made from it will have that element hidden too. Right-click to hide it, add some sizes, and run a classic resize. The new sizes come out without the element. That's every way to detach a size. Thanks for watching!